Hello everyone and welcome to our new section which is called Graphs. Now before digging into graphs, let's see what you will learn throughout our upcoming 10 sections which are related to graph data structures and algorithms. So first we are going to start by learning what's graph and why we need it. Then we will learn graph terminologies which are very helpful especially during the interviews. Then we will see how many types of graph there are. Then we are going to learn the representation of graph in our code. Then we will learn two ways of traversal of graph, which are breadth-first search and depth-first search. Then we will learn a sorting problem which is called topological sort. And the next topic will be classical problem called single source shortest path. And there we will see three ways of solving this problem, which are BFS, Dicaster's algorithm, and Bellman-Ford algorithm. Then the next topic will be all pair shortest path problem. And this problem will be solved in four ways using BFS, Dicaster's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, and Floyd-Warshall algorithms. And of course, after solving them, we are going to compare these algorithms to see the differences between them. And finally, we will learn how to solve minimum spanning tree problem using Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm. And at the end, we will conclude the section with the comparison of algorithms that we have learned over here. So hopefully you have got an overall idea of what you are going to learn in the graph-related sections. So let's get started learning them one by one. So the first topic is what's a graph. So let's learn what's a graph in the next lecture.